How can Elixir Placenta help cancer patients? In the preventive stage, Elixir Placenta fortifies your immune system and therefore keeps you away or prevents or protects you from cancer-causing elements. And therefore, on that aspect of prevention, definitely Elixir Placenta helps. When you go to the next stage of cancer, meaning you already have it, whether it's stage 1 going to stage 2 or stage 3, spread or metastasis, it would depend on your immune system. The lower your immune system, it will be exploited by the cancer cells, and therefore the shift from stage 1 to the next stage will be faster. With this, it will prolong the stage going from simple stage 1 to a worse stage 4. And therefore, it does help a lot in your cancer patients. No? Metastasis and spread is limited by the help of Elixir Placenta. On the post or on the treatment side, when your cancer is surgically treated, you undergo surgery or you undergo chemotherapy or you undergo radiotherapy or cobalt therapy, again, Elixir Placenta will help you in the recovery stage. Otherwise, if you notice some patients, despite chemotherapy, they weaken and blood transfusions, chemotherapy cannot continue because the patient's health does not allow it. Blood levels are low because they cannot recover faster. Elixir Placenta helps in making sure your immune system will cooperate and receive more chemotherapy sessions, more surgery if needed, more cobalt therapy when needed. So in all stages of cancer, a cancer patient is well protected with Elixir Placenta. For two reasons, I would not do that. Number one, the active ingredients of Elixir Placenta are preserved in this capsule. It was packed and in a way that the active ingredients withstand any external factors that will affect the potency of the ingredient. So, when you introduce it into your gastrointestinal tract, it can withstand gastric juices because of its coating capsule. And only will the coating of the capsule give out the active ingredients when it reaches the small intestine to be absorbed. When you pierce it, you oxidize the active ingredients and it will not give you the potency 100% that you need for you to get the beneficial effects. So that's the first reason. The second reason is when it reaches pierced, when the active ingredient goes to the gastric juices, it's deactivated, period. So you were not able to get the desired effects. So we would not encourage you to pierce the capsule nor mixed with other supplements or other foods. Of course they can. It's just like taking any supplement. As I said, it's too late for you to take it when you're having the disease. Why wait to have the disease when you can? You may not want to have the disease, would you? So, to strengthen your immune system so you will not get sick, you take it when you don't have any disease at all. It's a supplement. It protects you. It strengthens your immune system so you won't get sick. And if you do, you will not get severe problems, severe complications. And if during the recovery stage, it shortens the recovery stage. So yes, you may take it even when you don't have any illness at all. I categorically answer no, there are none. And of course, you don't have to believe me. This product was sent to SGS, which is a very well-known company worldwide that certifies and examines, tests products if they contain hormones, especially harmful hormones. And true enough, we have certificates to prove that this Elixir Placenta is negative for these hormones. You can see our certificate. The recommendations of the manufacturer states that it should be stored in a place, temperature not exceeding 30 degrees centigrade, and no direct exposure to sunlight or exposure to extremes of temperature. We're doing this to keep the active ingredients intact, as fresh as possible. You see, exposing it to these extremes of temperature or to direct sunlight can shorten the effectivity of the active ingredients. So just following the manufacturer's recommendation will maintain the freshness of the active ingredients of Elixir Placenta, and we get the beneficial effects right away.